Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And it's the next day of this shark drill clean. So I washed it, so everything's been stripped down and everything's been washed and dried out. Now everything's dried out. Now it needs putting back together. So let's get started. Right, the filters. Pre-filters, all nice and clean. The white one goes in first, and then the cone, and then the yellow sponge part goes on top of it. There you go, and then drop slide in, and then grab your cyclone. This is all being cleaned out. Not perfect, but you know, it's a lot cleaner. So that can go back on. Now the exhaust filter, clean it down. Undo here, you got a little catch, pull up, it comes off. Then the black sponge part goes into the air filter cartridge. And all this has been blown out, all the motor and everything's been blown out, so hopefully it'll be dust free, because a lot of these get dust through them, because it's only single cyclone, they don't feel very well. So hopefully this has been blown out and it'll be dust free. So anyway, grab your filter, sit it in there like that, so it's flush. And then on the top, it's got two tabs here and here. They go into there and there, like that. And then click down. And now the drill clean roller. It's been washed. So get the black side first. Engage it into the little cog, like so, then lean it over, and then press it until this gets like that, and then lean it over, and then this part's a bit fiddly. Like that, so basically once I point back the pointy part, this part here goes into there and clicks down like so. And this is the hand to hair wrap one, so it's got these rubber blades on, which is supposed to keep the brush all clean, but unfortunately they don't work very well, as people have said in other reviews. Like, I know this because I've been fixing vac cleans for years, so I'm qualified. You know, it's clean enough. It's not even anything on it. Like that. That's it, and that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video, and please like.